Dear friends, let us continue from question number 1 of set code B of paper 1 patent agent examination 2018. Fine. Okay. So as we all know, we have completed up to question number 20 of part A, and we are continuing now from question number 21. Okay friends. Okay, let us proceed. Question number 21. In case of request for permission of making patent application outside India, as per section 39 of the Act, the time frame to dispose such request by controller is option A, within 30 days from the request, option B, within 6 months from the request, option C, within 21 days from the request, and option D is none of the above. So friends, the correct option is option C, that is within 21 days from the request. And for this, we can refer section 39 subsection 2 and rule 71 sub rule 2 with form 21. So by referring these three, we can be sure of our option. Fine. Okay. Question number 22. A patent awarded by the Patent Office of India is valid in option A, all Asian countries, territories, option B, all countries that adheres to TRIPS, option C, Indian territory, option D, all of the above. So, as we know that patents are territorial in nature, so the answer or the option will be Indian territory, that is option C. Fine. Next one is question number 23. One PCT application with US priority is filed on 19th September 2009, and for filing national phase application in India, the applicant needs to file within option A, 19th April 2012, option B, 19th September 2014, option C, 19th September 2013, and option D, 19th April 2013. So the correct answer or the correct option will be option A, that is 19th April 2012. So we will just analyze why this option is correct. So just follow the red color arrow mark and come here friends. We know that rule 20 is international applications designating and electing India. Okay, so as per this rule, the time period is 31 months and we can divide this 31 months to 2 years and 7 months. Fine. So and given filing date is 19th September 2009. So just add 2 years 7 months to this date and find the answer, and the answer will be 19th April 2012. Fine. Okay. Let us proceed to question number 24. A patent applicant may file a patent infringement suit within the provision of the Act only after option A, publication of the patent application, option B, grant of the patent application, option C, priority date of the patent application, option D, date of filing of complete application. Okay, so the answer will be option B, that is grant of the patent application. And for this, please refer section 105. The title is Power of Court to make declaration as to non-infringement. Fine. Question number 25. As per the Patent Act 1970, the first compulsory license granted in India to option A, Natco Pharma on 9th March 2012, option B, Cipla on 9th March 2009, option C, Glenmark on 27 January 2009, and option D is none of the above. And our answer or our correct option is option A, Natco Pharma on 9th March 2012. For the production of we must remember friends, this is a Hyderabad based pharma company, that is Natco Pharma, and for the production of generic version of Bayer's Nexavar, an anti-cancer agent used in the treatment of liver and kidney cancer. Fine. Next. Question number 26. Method of committing theft is not patentable in accordance to one of the sections of the Patent Act 1970. Find out the relevant section from the following. Option A, Section 3C of the Act. Option B, Section 3B of the Act. Option C, Section 3A of the Act. Option D, Section 3D of the Act. So the correct option is Section 3B, that is contrary to morality or public order. Okay. Next we will continue to question number 27. As per the Patent Act, the term of a patent of edition filed on 13th April 2012, granted on 15th January 2015 with regard to complete specification of an ordinary patent application filed on 15th July 2008, granted on 17th September 2011 is up to, considering that neither one is revoked prior to term of validity. That must be considered. So the options are option A, 13th April 2032, option B, 15th July 2028, option C, 17th September 2031, option D, 15th January 2035. Okay, so the answer will be option B, that is 15th July 2028. What we will do? We will just add 20 years to 15th July 2008 and we will get the answer. Fine. For this, please refer section 55, that is term of patents of edition, and section 53, that is term of patent. Okay, so read both the sections to get the correct answer. Next, question number 28. An appeal shall not lie to the appellate board as per the Patent Act for the following option. Option A, refusal decision of a patent application under section 15 of the Act. Option B, an application is deemed to be abandoned under section 21 of the Act. Option C, decision of controller with regard to compulsory license under section 84 of the Act. Option D, the decision related to post-grant opposition under section 25 subsection 4 of the Act. Fine. So the correct answer will be option B, that is an application is deemed to be abandoned under section 21 of the Act. So please refer section 117A, whose title is Appeals to Appellate Board. Fine. Next one. Question number 29. The period for which an application for patent shall not ordinarily be open to public in Patent Office Journal from the date of filing or date of priority of the application, whichever is earlier as per the provision of the Act. Assume that there is no request for early publication. The options are A, 18 months, option B, 12 months, option C, 6 months, option D, 8 months. And the correct answer will be option A, that is 18 months. So please refer Rule 24, that is publication of application. Fine. And the last one, question number 30. An Indian applicant has filed an ordinary patent application before the Patent Office by filing provisional specification on 12th May 2011, assuming no post dating of application. Find out the correct option from the following. Option A, the applicant filed the complete specification on 12th August 2012 after filing Form 4 on 11th May 2012 for 3 months extension. Option B, the applicant filed complete specification on 12th May 2012. Okay. Option C, the applicant filed a petition under 138 of the prevailing rules and submitted the complete specification on 12th June 2012. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer will be option B. The correct option is option B. That is, the applicant filed complete application. We can say the applicant filed complete specification is on 12th May 2012. This is the correct answer. So friends, this way all the questions, or we can say the last 10 questions from part A of paper 1 of patent examination 2018 is completed. So this way we have completed the part A. In next video we will continue with part B. So please go through the video, please share the video among your friends, and please compliment and comment me in my comment section, and please subscribe my channel, friends. It will be more interactive, it will be more interesting if you start interacting. Okay, so keep studying, keep interacting. All the best. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay friends, God bless you. Thank you so much.